Okay, the keys with comfort access do not charge inductively. So every so often you'll have to replace the battery in it, and they use a CR2032 to replace the battery. You need to grip it right here like this, and you see there's a little button here, and you'll pull out your emergency key. From there, you'll see that there is a very small place where you can stick a screwdriver. You stick a screwdriver in right there, you twist, and it'll pop open and the battery will pop out, and you just replace it with your CR2032.